What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now in apps, again tap on this apps option and then tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner, and then tap on show system processes. Tap on reset app preferences. Now from this pop-up, again tap on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset option here, it will reset app preferences for all of the apps. It doesn't matter the apps are disabled, the apps are default or running in the background. So tap on reset, and after resetting the app preferences, the issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the media stopping issue, then open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if the software is not updated, then update the software, and after updating the software, the media keeps stopping issue will be fixed. Now after updating the software, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset all settings, and then again tap on this reset all settings option here to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting all settings, the media keeps stopping error will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the media keeps stopping error in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.